Alright guys, so now let's get to the fun part, which is gaming. So let's go ahead and try some games out real quick. As you can see, remember I've tried Modern Combat. I use this as a staple because it's pretty intense graphic and some phones can't even handle it. Like the Moto G6 Play. God, I know I'm comparing that phone a lot, but that phone, if you remember my review, and I'll put it in the description below, it was lagging quite a bit when action started. So let's see how well this phone does. Whoa, so here we go. Let it load real quick. So extracting files. There we go. Oh, tap to continue. So here we go. I'll show you, this is where that, and even if you put your finger here, it never covers it, guys. So don't be scared of, oh, I'm gonna put it and cover it now. So here we go. So let me show you just some quick play, guys. Whoop, resume mission. Alright, so here we go. Remember this part where it would lag up and stuff? So let's see how well this does. Alright, so there we go. Let me just zoom out a little bit. Like I said, this, so no, there's not crazy amounts of lag or anything. It does only have 2 gigs of RAM with a 1.3 gigahertz octa-core processor. So I mean, I'm guessing that octa-core is really kicking in and helping out a lot. But in other phones, guys, this is the point where it will just lag up. I mean, right there, that shooting part, it would just stutter and stuff. And then once the fight was over, that's when the phone went back to normal. So check it out, pretty good and intensive graphic game. Here we go, so let's get more to shooting parts. So as you can see, there's no stutter at all. The battle goes on, man, the battle goes on. Look at that. Yeah. So there we go, guys. It's pretty good. Bam, son. Doing really good so far. So no drop frames from what I'm seeing. Like I say, it's just high intense action all the way. I think there's one more dude alive, maybe. Oh yeah. Ah. And there we go. This is the last part I'm recording on here, just because it's gonna be fast-paced action here. Like I said, look at all this action going on, guys, and the phone's not even stuttering. It's not getting hot or anything. So it's definitely handling good, you know. Oh god, these guys are right here. Boom, look at that. Water, splash effects, smoke, fire, nope. Not slowing down. So that's pretty good, guys. And then just exit that. Let's do another one just so we can kind of go through these. So PUBG is probably one of the most requested ones I have always, because everybody loves PUBG. You know, we're waiting on Fortnite, but they're just, I mean, I don't know. You know, it's available on iOS, but not on Android just yet. So there we go. So everybody's loading. People are in here already. So let's see if there's any stutter or anything like that. So everybody wants to play PUBG, you know, with no problems. So far so good, guys. I'm not seeing any real big stutters. Of course everybody's loading right now, so it's like, okay, people are loading. You see that guy, I mean, half his body freaking loaded. But I mean, the game doesn't look bad, you know, it doesn't look like PS1 graphics or anything. So let's see how it looks once we actually load into the game and everybody starts flying. Alright, there we go. So let's see. Look at that. So no stutter whatsoever. Nice, nice, nice. I said most likely I'm probably going to see a couple stutter here and there just because, you know, it's all the people are going to be jumping and stuff. Off the plane at least. Of course you never want to land just yet. But let's land somewhere like around here, I guess. So let's jump, see how well that does. So look at that. So there we go, guys. I'm not seeing any stutter at all. Of course the map's loading and all that stuff, but I mean that's normal. And so you're not probably gonna play this game in like Ultra HD or anything like that, settings at least, you know. So you see this, I mean that does look blocky and stuff just because the stuff's loading. But there we go. As long as we can play this game fine, I mean we'll be golden. Boom. So there we go. Let's see if there's any stutter or anything. No, so well, I mean nothing at all really that's major. Let's pick up some guns and stuff. Look at that. So everything's going fine. And you know everybody wants their PUBG now. So I like that smooth. I mean I've played this game on other devices. I mean it's lag fast. It's just it can't handle it. It gets too hot. Yes, this game's gonna drain your battery just because it's, you know, pretty intensive and stuff. So let's reload the gun. But overall, check it out, guys. I'm not lagging or anything. So definitely, it's a go for me with this game. Hey, check it out. Let's see if we can get a kill or two. But check it out, guys. There's no lag whatsoever. And I like that this game, I mean this phone is 5 inches. It's so easy to hold on your hand, you know, when you have a really big phone. It's just let's do a little bit of shooting. Very, very nice. Like I said, just if you have a really big phone, sometimes I mean it hurts your hands just because it's so big that it's like let me get a shirt on. I don't even got a shirt on. There we go. So check it out. I mean, guys, I mean these matches last about 30 minutes or so. So I'm not gonna complete a whole match or anything. You know, that's gonna be basically my whole recording time that I have with you guys. But I just want to show you that yes, this game runs perfectly. Ooh, that's better. Nope, nobody in there. So like I said, I'm just going to take out my little pistol and just kind of show you a couple things. Look at that. Works perfectly fine. I'm just trying to bait some people to come near me, you know. Like I said, I'm going to show you a little bit of Pokemon. Not too much, guys. I'm going to make a separate video for just gaming. Like I said, this gaming portion takes quite a bit of time. And I don't want to max out all the resources or anything like that. So I guess another high-intensive graphic game.
Excellent. With these supplies
Armory.
in the armory. Upgrade complete.
Come out, I'm trying to battle. Yeah, so here we go, guys. So you can see this game's running pretty smooth on it. I've already played a match or two, so I can tell you, yes, it's going to run fine. Here we go. So here goes, my little ship's loading.
General quarters.
So let's do like a couple gun battles. Oh, there's somebody coming, alright. Hey, we got a hit? Ooh, son. Get out of here, man. Get out of here. You're trying to kill my squad. Oh, dang, there's a dude right there. Whew. Dang, they sent torpedoes? How the heck do you get out of torpedoes? Dang, look at that, taking damage. So let's shoot in front of him. Let's reload and reload. There we go, got a kill, man. What is good? As you can see, I mean, this game's smooth, man. There we go, reloading. Oh, I'm taking damage. Oh no, taking damage. Ah! Yo, this game's kind of fun. I didn't even think about it. Come on, reloading. There we go. Alright, let me fix my ship. So there we go, fixing my ship, guys. Pretty good, pretty good. Alright, what is this? Alright, so. But you get the gist of it, you know, it's fun. Like I said, I don't want to make it too long. One more game I want to do, like I said, I'm going to be doing portions of this, is something like Darkness Rises, guys. Is a newer game. This is a really intensive graphic game. So I want to see how well this does. I mean, like I said, you'll see in just a little bit how, look at that, Jesus. It's a newer game too, so we're seeing if you can handle new games. This game just came out. So let's see how well it can handle, like I said, newer games. Alright, so let's get into it. So there we go, so I'm a wizard right now. So let's get into it. This is probably my last game I'm reviewing, guys, just because, like I said, it's making this video way too long. But as you can see, it's graphic intensive. Like I said, for something that just has a 1.3 gigahertz octa-core processor and 2 gigs of RAM, I mean, I'm surprised it can even run this thing. Yeah. Let's get to the battle. Jesus Christ, talk a lot, man. Oh, I could have just skipped it. Woof. Alright, so here we go. So look at that. Smooth, man. Whoo! Look at that. I mean, look at these graphics. Ooh, we get a boss battle. Woohoo! Ah. Let me hit you with that power, son. I love this game, man. These kind of games. Alright, so we're going for the kill. Look at this. Whoa. Wow. So we got some spears, so let's chug these spears at them. Jesus Christ. Look at this big dude. Shoot. Nah, she dead, homie. She dead. Wow. Look at these cutscenes, man. So look how smooth. There's no drop frames. I mean, yeah, it's some, like in the action scenes, it gets a little bit blurred out and stuff just because I guess they can't handle that much, but overall it's doing good, you know. And just look at these graphics, man. No, she'll be alright. She'll be alright. She'll be alright. Jesus. So definitely it'll play Asphalt, it'll Asphalt 8, it'll play Temple Run, it'll play all them games. Pokemon Quest, of course, Pokemon Go and all that stuff. Look at that, good lord. But you get the gist of it, guys. Very, very nice. Whoops. So let's get to the end of this video.